With the big game less than a week away, you're probably thinking, what should I make this year that'll be a big winner? Well, we can't think of anything better than chicken wings. And not just your run-of-the-mill wings, but ones that are packed with flavor and are baked rather than fried. We start by drying our wings really well with some paper towels. And if you're using frozen wings rather than fresh ones, which I think is the best way to go, make sure you thaw them first. Okay, we toss these with some olive oil mixed with some fresh minced garlic and a touch of salt. Then onto a couple of rimmed baking sheets they'll go before popping them in the oven. While they're roasting, we mix together some melted butter, lemon juice, a bit of lemon zest, and a good amount of coarsely ground black pepper. Once they come out, we'll toss them with our lemon pepper sauce and they're good to go. And whether you serve them before the game or during halftime, I know these will be a hit. I mean, between the roasting of the wings and coating them with a to-die-for sauce, you can't miss. I do hope you'll go online and get the recipe for our lemon pepper chicken wings so you can score big no matter which team you're rooting for. I'm Howard in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a super game day way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.